Are you a pasta lover? Then this recipe is just for you. The ultimate creamy chicken Alfredo pasta that tastes better than restaurants. Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Crave and let's dig into today's recipe. Start with boiling some penne pasta with some oil and salt and grab a large chicken breast and cut it into half. Season it with some black pepper, salt, and some garlic powder. And then squeeze in some lemon juice. Then heat up some butter in a pan and cook the chicken on both sides until it's golden brown. In the same pan, fry some minced garlic, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and gradually add half cup milk and keep stirring until it becomes creamy. Add some pasta water and season it with some oregano, parsley, chili flakes and some salt. Now, add our cheese. I've used cheddar and mozzarella both. Keep stirring until the cheese melts and our Alfredo sauce looks creamy like this. Then add our cooked pasta, dip well in our creamy Alfredo sauce and toss in the cooked chicken. And just look at that creamy, silky restaurant-style chicken Alfredo right at home. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Quick Crave for more delicious recipes every week. Thanks for watching.